G'day everybody and welcome to another Ace
Hey, it's mine. It's my video. I do it.
Is it your video?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
Can you say it?
You want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Say, g'day everybody
Hey everybody.
and welcome to another Ace Fun Time.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce! What do we have here, little princess?
It's Cupcake Shopkins.
It's Cupcake Queen from Shopkins.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Oh! What are we going to do with her?
Open it.
Let's have a look at little Miss Cupcake Queen. She's got her little bow and her crown, hasn't she? And her cute little bright eyes. And her little cupcake head. Isn't she cute?
I'll take her off the crown.
You can take her crown off first. Good girl.
Queen Daddy.
Queen Daddy. All hail Queen Daddy. Thank you. What's next, baby cakes? Oh, you can take the bow off. Good girl. And that's going on Daddy's head too. Ah, don't I look pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do I look like Cupcake Queen? What are you going to take off next, baby?
Yes.
Her head. What about her eyes? Take her eyes off. Poor little Cupcake Queen getting pulled apart. Huh? I'm Cupcake Queen Daddy. Is that good? Ah, my eyeball! Okay, Munchkin, let's rip it all off and see what's inside. Take that, Cupcake Queen! Oh my goodness, Princess, what have we got here?
I love it.
You love it? You love lots of little princess toys?
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside. Go. What is that?
Look, it's My Little Pony.
And this is a Cupcake Surprise.
Yeah.
Look, that's like the name of your favorite channel.
Yeah.
And this one smells nice. What is it? 6 different smells. Look. What's this one? Is it strawberry or something? What's it smell like?
It smells like strawberry. Look.
Is there a little princess inside?
Yeah, under.
What are they? They're Shopkins.
Oh, egg.
What's that one? Shopkins.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we going to open first?
Twozies.
Twozies?
Yeah.
Is that the first one?
Yeah.
Let's go, Munchkin. Rip it open.
Twozies.
There you go. Woohoo! What's inside? Come on, use your little muscles. Good girl.
Twozies.
Oh! Who's that guy?
It's Tiki.
Is there another little piece? What's that?
It's a bag of Tiki and Forest.
So this is Tiki and Forest in their little house. It looks like. What's next now, Princess?
Season 7 Shopkins.
Rip it all open, babe. That's it. Nice. Who you got inside, Princess?
See.
There you go. Let's see who's inside. Look at the little box they come in. Who's that? Oh! So we got Jan, Pancake, and we got Sparky and Flicker, didn't we?
Yeah.
Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
Which one are we going to open next, little
That
Munchkin?
one.
This one? This is Shopkins Sweets and Surprises. Let's see what sweeties we got. Actually, they're chocolate sweeties. Are they?
We have a peanut, lollies and a sticker.
So yeah, we got Delish donut sticker, and we got apple blossom pin, and we got treaties. You want a pink one, Princess? Here you go. Hang on. Wait. I have a pink one too. Ready? No, I'm only joking. They're nice. Are they nice?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, put on your apple blossom pin. Here we go.
I love my pen.
3 more things to open. What are we going to open next? Cupcake Surprise! This transforms from Cupcake to Princess and back to Cupcake. And here's all the other little flavours you can get. And there's all the little princesses. And this one's scented, isn't it?
Let's open it.
Let's open it, let's open it, let's open it. Oh. Is it a little brush? Look, Princess. Let's see who's inside.
Okay.
So let's see how this thing works. I haven't opened one of these before. And I think this is
I have the brush.
Brittany. Have you?
Yeah.
Here we go. Pop! There she is. Wow, she's very pretty. You brush her hair before I put a little hat on. Lovely, and look at her sparkly dress. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Look. I will see her with a little hat on. Under her chin. Oh my goodness, look at that. She's so cute, isn't she? Do you love her?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's great, isn't she?
Yeah.
That's Brittany. Say hello, Brittany.
Hello, Brittany.
Hello, Princess. How are you? My name is Brittany. Would you like to give me a kiss? Sorry, I have a little cough. Perhaps we try again. Okay, this time. Mwah. What's she smell like?
Strawberries.
Does she?
Now this.
Lovely. Oh, now this. Brittany's forgotten about pretty quickly. Okay, Brittany, you can go over there now. Over here? Yeah, over that way. Okay. Bye-bye. So this is the Shopkins Happy Places, and we can get 3 petkins and 1 tile maybe inside. What's inside? What have you got? Who's that fella? Show me. Who's that fella? I'll move all the rubbish out of the way for you.
The fence.
Yeah? So that's the fence stand and the mailbox. This letter's so cute, isn't it, baby? Do you want to mail him?
And posting the letter.
Oh,
A letter.
you got a letter. Who's it from?
Me.
You sent it to yourself, did you?
Yeah.
Here we go. Look, put it in the post box. And oh, here we go. Put it in the post box. Oh, we tried again. Put it in the post box. Oh, it fell out again.
It's from.
Who's it from? Can you read it?
Yeah.
Who's it from? Yay! What's it say? It says, "Love you, Princess." Oh, I love you, Princess. You love your toys, don't you?
Yeah, I go ahead and send this letter to you.
Okay. Let me read it. It says, it says, "Daddy, we have one more toy to open." do it. So now we've come to the last surprise, which is a My Little Pony squishy pop, and we've got 3 little ponies and 2 surprises, 2 mystery ponies. What's the mystery ponies going to be?
I don't know.
No? There's only one way to find out. Let's rip it open. Here we go. Nice one. Look at all the ponies you can get. Here we go. That's a mystery pony.
I got
That one. Who's she? That's a crystal pony. Crystal pony, look. What is that? Who's she?
this one sick. This.
Wow. Oh, they stick. That's so cool. Look. Look at that.
These are the 5 little ponies we got. Ooh, pretty.
It's so cute. Which is your favourite? That one. I like the crystal one. You got 2. Oops, fell over. You got 2 crystal ponies and 3 normal little ponies. Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
So these are all the surprises we got in our Cupcake Queen Play-Doh egg, aren't they, Princess?
Yeah.
Aren't they cool? Which is your favourite?
Um.
The ponies, is it?
Yeah.
I like Brittany. I like this one. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you'd like to like and subscribe, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. You can check out some of our other videos as well if you want. Wasn't that fun, Princess? Yeah? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good fun, wasn't it? I'm going to go play with all my little toys now. I think I'll
No.
play with this one first.
No.
This is my favourite.
Them are mine.
This is mine. Can I have this one?
No. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.